Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove a green screen in DaVinci Resolve in 2026. So if you want to replace the green background in your video with another image or scene, DaVinci Resolve has a built-in tool that makes this very easy. So first of all, you need to start by importing your green screen footages in the DaVinci Resolve. So for that, first of all, hover over to the file section, then select the option of import. Over here, select the option of media and import your green screen file. Afterwards, you just have to click on the clip and you need to place on the timeline. Now, simply hover over to the top or in the left hand corner and look for this particular effects icon. Now, this will open the effects library where you can find different types of video effects. Now, among the video effects, you just have to look for the Resolve FX and then use the search bar and look for the 3D key. So once you find the 3D key, simply drag the 3D key effect onto your green screen video clip in the timeline. After doing this, below the video preview, you are going to see this type of drop down menu. So when you click on it, among the given options, look for the option of Open FX Overlay. So what this is going to do is it is going to allow you to interact directly with the effect settings. Now, once you have done that, again, you need to basically look at the settings on the right hand screen where the 3D key options appear. Now from here, you just have to use this color picker tool, and after selecting it, simply click on the green screen background on your video. Now as soon as you do this, the green screen should disappear. So if you still see the green screen area around the subject, you can adjust the despill setting. Increasing this value will remove any leftover green color from the edges. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.